with hotels, there's guests doing the laundry, which is a perk or a benefit to the guest. And then there's also the other side of hotel sending out their laundry for you to like wash their towels. And that's more like the commercial business.
Yeah.
The commercial business was actually, we had to make a decision between, do we focus on residential or do we go after commercial business? Since with commercial, the prices are insane, where most of the laundromats are like losing money, or maybe it's owner operated, where the owner is the driver and the, but we actually got a lead that came from one of the like luxury condos in Miami Beach. You guys probably have all like heard the name, and we were like so excited about it to do their commercial like laundry business. And they sent us like 13 bags. And I showed up in my Tesla Model Y to pick up the bags, and I was like, I'm gonna figure out how somehow to fit it. Literally, like I had to lay all the seats down, and I could barely fit like 10 bags, and I had to make 2 trips to go pick up the
rest
laundry. And they told us like you should be coming here at like 4 p.m. And Miami Beach, it's like the worst traffic in Miami Beach to be in like on Collins Avenue at 4 p.m. So very quickly, like after doing that one pilot, we were like, all right, we're gonna hold off on doing commercials for a while until we
for us
scale up the residential side.
Yeah, it is a hard business. It's a completely different business, and it's but I think because of the traffic, because it's so difficult to find people who do it, you could probably charge more, but you have to have the logistics.
Let me share
for it.
For sure, and I think there's probably a few useful tips for folks on this call who are thinking about buying small businesses. So I think digital marketing is such a untapped like area for any like small business acquisition. And I'll kind of continue with like some of the low-hanging fruit that we did to become the the highest rated laundromat service in Miami Beach. What we did was we hired a manager, and we told the manager, look, part of your responsibility is getting reviews, and every month, like we're gonna run like employee of the month promotion, and whoever gets the most reviews will get like a $50 gift card.
Yeah.
And we initially we created the program. The manager was doing it, but the employees weren't doing it. So it took us like revisiting that every week. And like I was being pretty maniacal around it. I would be like checking in with the attendants, we'd be like, hey, so how many reviews did you get? Let's create a dashboard. Let's track it. Let's really make sure that reviews becomes like a currency for the attendance. And it took 3 weeks for them to get used to it, to asking for reviews. We even had to have conversations with a few of the attendants who were like, well, I want my work to stand for itself. I don't want to be asking for a review. And we explained to them that, look, your work product definitely like is important, but part of experience, like we want you to ask, we want you to greet the customer. We want you to offer them like the latest discounts and things like that. And the last piece of that kind of script or the flow is to ask them to give you a rating or to share their experience working with you if they had a good experience. And that's essential. And so once we implemented that system, and I came up with a little game called spin the wheel, where someone gets to spin the wheel, and then there's a couple of different prizes they can win, including like a free water, which was very, very cheap for us, like a thing of detergent, a cup of detergent, or a laundry bag, which costs us maybe $1 or $2.
Oh, this is for the clients, for the customers.
Yeah, I created a little spin the game for the customers, and then I was like, look, since you guys have the tenants had some hesitation about outright asking or asking for reviews, I was like, look, just tell the guests or tell the folks while they're waiting for the laundry to be made, offer them, hey, would you like to play this game and win a free laundry bag? So very simple. But once we implemented that system, we started getting consistently like 50 to 60 reviews every month. So in a matter of a year, we got to over 400 5-star reviews.
Nice.